Hey guys, it's Neo. Welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel, and today I am very excited to share with you the new Vivo V19 Neo. Now this new smartphone from Vivo is said to offer stunning design while giving you that 2-day battery life and that beautiful AMOLED display while giving you a very good selfie camera experience. So now before we dive in, let's look at the specs of this thing. So up front is a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution. Inside is a 11 nanometer Snapdragon 675 AIE octa-core processor, Adreno 612 GPU, 8 gigabytes of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 gigabytes of UFS 2.1 storage. It is expandable by micro SD. It has a massive 4,500 milliampere battery with 18 watts of dual engine fast charging. Running the show is Android 10 based FunTouch OS 10. For the cameras, in front is that 32 megapixel front facing camera. At the back is a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera, and an LED flash. Now this smartphone, as I said earlier, is supposed to be exciting because of its new design and battery life. Now let's check it out, okay? Let's unbox it. First up, all right, very nice packaging, Vivo. Look at that holographic print, so shiny. All right, let's see what this is. Put this here. Of course, we have here a beautifully packaged USB Type A to Type C cord. Put this to the side. And of course, the transparent jelly case with cutouts for camera modules and ports. Let's put this here. All right, next up. All right, so we have here the quick start guide and warranty card. And here is the SIM ejector tool. So I'll put this on the side. All right, and there is a smartphone over there. Before we get to the smartphone, let's check what else is inside the box. All right. Oh, here we go. This is very rare nowadays. This is, of course, the in-ear earphones with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Now that's very rare right now, along with its design. It even has, let's check the tips of this thing. There we go. In-ear earphones, guys. This is with the Vivo branding right up there. And of course, extra ear cups. Let me get that for you. Extra ear cups over here. It's inside. Let me put this down. Very hard to open. All right, so as you can see here, we have 2 extra pairs of cups. It's very hard to pull out because of this plastic. All right, so all in all, we have 2 extra pairs of ear cups. One pair is the smallest and one pair is the largest. So if you put it side by side with the earphones, we have around 3 pairs in total. Let's put that to the side. And next we have the dual engine power plug. As you can see, if you look closer, we have here 5 volts 2 amperes and then 9 volts 2 amperes. The 2 prongs and the USB Type A port. Now let's move on to the main attraction of the show, the phone itself. All right, as you can see, this is the crystal white colorway, and depending on how the light hits it, it changes its color from purple to white to cyan to blue and to a little bit of warm orange. As you can see, it's very beautiful right there. And this is the quad camera setup with an LED flash. And then, of course, in front is that 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with a very small punch hole. Now, as you can see, if you look closer, the punch hole is very, very small. That is amazing. That's one of the smallest punch holes we've ever seen. And it's a 32 megapixel camera. Before, let's look at the other sides of the phone. All right, at the bottom, there is your speakers, the USB Type-C, a microphone port, and of course the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on top is a single microphone port. Then on the side, this is the left side, is the SIM tray. Now the SIM tray, let's check what's inside. As you can see, it's a triple slot SIM tray with 2 nano and 1 micro SD card. All right, let's put this back. All right, on the other side is the volume rocker and the power button. Okay, now we go back to the Super AMOLED display, and that is just gorgeous. It is really amazing how small that punch hole is, and the vibrancy and the sharpness of the text. See? Look at that, guys. Look at how sharp and crisp those texts are. And look at the detail on this Chinese architecture. It's so nice. So right out of the box, I think the Vivo V19 Neo is a very compelling phone by itself. We don't know the price yet, so we can't really say the overall value of it. But so far, I like the feel and the heft that it has. I also like the way that it looks. And though the 675 Snapdragon's processor is a little bit, has been showing its age, it is known for its amazing battery life. And coupled with that 4500 mAh battery, this phone should offer 2 days of battery. So before we go, let's try the Antutu test. Spoiler alert, I've already done the Antutu test and it scored 235,641. Thank you guys for watching. This is Neil again. For more news and reviews and more information on the new Vivo V19 Neo, you can visit us at GIZGUIDE.com and ask us, talk to us at GIZGUIDEPH on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.